Good morning, Waltz Tribe. Good morning and welcome to our waltzing lesson number 4. I will do this as we follow with my right foot on count 1. We are learning one of the important foundations of waltz. If you can do this, you can waltz almost any waltz. This is probably the trickiest part, is learning the basic box and being able to flip from left to right sides with the basic box. But you can do it, because I believe in you. I believe in you. And I believe in me as a teacher. I'm breaking it down for you to make it easy. So, are dancers' brains wired differently? Dance Magazine says dancers' brains appear to be programmed differently from non-dancers' brains. You think in a different way. Some dancers are innately wired like this. Others have the propensity to develop abilities over time. And that is exactly what we are doing today. That was from an article in 2017 in Dance Magazine. So today, waltzers, we are going to learn the basic box and to be able to do it to the left and to the right. Join me in this. But first, let's get warmed up. Let's just start getting into waltz rhythm. Again, clapping and moving our feet, starting with your right foot on count 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Get those pistons moving. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Lift your knees up just to get warmed up. It's not waltzing technique. It's just warm-up technique. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Turn up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's move your arms. Let's do a little exercise of opening up your soul to the universe. While you're moving your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. All right. Very good. So we are going to review now what we learned in the last lesson because it ties in with that. You remember you have a hoop skirt that is a square box that you are in the middle of. You carry it with you wherever you go. So you have a front, you have sides and a back, you have corners, diagonals. Let's review that a little bit. So first we start with side to side. Right foot goes to the side, right, step, step, left, step, step. Well, conveniently the universe has put this wonderful white box on the floor here. This is a very small box. This is for my feet to step on, but I have a bigger box, right? My own big box here is where I'm stepping towards the corner, but we will use this one. So I'm going to start in the middle of this lovely box, side to side, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Now again, starting middle, I'm going forward and back with my right foot. Forward 1, 2, 3, back with my left foot. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now remember we had corners of the box. So I'm stepping to the bigger box. First, I want to go forward, diagonal. That would be, I'm starting with my right foot. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now back on my left diagonal. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now I can also go back diagonal. If I'm starting on my right foot, then I'm going to back up to my right diagonal. 1, 2, 3. Forward to my left diagonal. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and stop right there. Beautiful. We have the 4 corners. We're stepping around us in those 8 directions. Front, back, side, side, corner, 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 corner. Now we are going to make use of all of those in the basic box. I am going to be starting as the follow, the lower right corner here. Now this is where my feet are going to go. I'm stepping around this lovely box. It's got 2 sides, and so there's a total of 4 sides. But there are 6 beats of the music. So what do? We step side, side, the corner is the 3rd step. Then side, side, and the corner is the 3rd. And that 3rd step is where everybody gets messed up. So I'm going to help you not get messed up. The right foot for this box. Right foot forward on 1. Left foot to the side on 2. Then we close your feet and switch the feet. That is 3. This is important. You switch. You step on it. Let's lift the other foot up just so you feel it. Normal waltzing, you don't lift the foot up. You keep it on the floor. But lift it up so you can feel it. That's the new foot you're stepping back on. That's where people get messed up. Back on the left. This is count 4. Back on the left. 5. Right foot to the side. 6. You switch your feet. Switch. You lift up the other foot to get it ready so you can feel it. Now we are back to the beginning. Count 1. Right foot forward on 1. Left foot to the side on 2. Close your feet and switch them. Left foot is ready to go back. Right foot to the side. Close and switch. Right foot forward. Left foot to the side. Close and switch. Left foot back. People go, what foot do I do back? Left foot. If you've picked it up, you can feel. That's the free foot. Right foot to the side. Switch. So you might notice we are stepping 1 foot each step, just going different directions. The 3rd and the 6th one, you're closing and switching. You're stepping in place for 1 step. So again, from the beginning, right foot forward, left foot to the side, switch, left foot back, right foot to the side, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now as you're doing that, remember to lift your body up, pull your core in and lift your sternum up and shoulders back and down so you have good posture. And it feels so great. It's great for your back. It's great for all your muscles. As you do this, music. We're going to go back to the slow. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, switch. 4, 5, switch. 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 1, 2. Do you feel like you're waltzing? 4, 5. I do. lead partner. Yes, you can do this with a partner. That is the ultimate goal because it's more fun. So, as I am connecting with my partner, perhaps if this is new for you, I suggest you just do double hand hold to start with. Just keeping a nice distance apart because it takes a while to learn. You want to have good posture, both of you, lift it up. Be nice people. Introduce each other respectfully. Hello, great to see you. Say something nice to your partner every time, no matter what. Something true and nice. I like your bow tie. It looks dashing on the side there, so it's kind of very handsome, Herbert. All right, he says something equally nice to me. Oh, you look lovely today. Great, thank you. That built my confidence. That will make me a more fun partner when I'm feeling confident. And we have a positive connection verbally. And then hold hands respectfully. And in this basic, we're both moving together. We're keeping the same distance between each other. So for the basic box, I'm doing this sideways. As I step forward, he is stepping back on his left foot. We both step together, side, and then together, switching the feet. Now I'm stepping back on my left. He's stepping forward on his right foot. Then side together. The side steps are safe because you're not stepping towards each other. The forward and the back step, those are the part where you could possibly step on your partner's feet. So now we want to get into the technique of keeping your feet on the floor. You're not picking your feet up off the floor anymore. That was for solo. Partner dancing, you keep your feet on the floor, you're pressing, you're rolling your foot, so that if you do bump your partner's feet, you're not coming down on it, right? Safety first. All right, so with my partner, on count 1, I'm moving forward, he's moving back. 1, side together. 2, 3, 4, I'm going back, he's going forward on his, see, I'm back on my left, he's going forward on his right, side together. That's it. Let's do it from here. So starting here. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, left, switch, left, right, switch, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over side together, back, side together, side. All right, forward, side together, back, side together, back, side together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last couple times. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one, and then big finish. All right, big finish. All right, Herb's gonna get 50. Woo! And then Crystal turn. Now I get him. Woo! Yeah, baby. All right. Okay. Good. So you're getting the basic box. Now, we talked about the parallel universe. In waltzing, you can switch to an opposite mirrored universe, but you must go through the gates. The magical door is called a change step. You're changing sides. 3 counts. It is the exact same as the basic box, but the first 3 counts only, the first half of the basic box. So if I'm to follow, and the basic box is 1, 2, 3, my left foot is free, and it is ready. Normally I'd step back, but I am choosing that I'm going to do a new box in front of me. And I'm starting this new box with my left foot on count 4. So this is opposite universe. The music has gone on. The music doesn't restart. I've restarted. So you started on count 4 with your left foot as the follow. I'm going to do a whole box on this side, going forward, side, together, back, side, together. So 6 counts, 3 and 3, starting with my left foot going forward. So 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and I can do this forever. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. What if I want to go back home? Then I do another change step, 3 more counts. In this case, we can do it forward or back. It's okay, depending on your room. Let's see. 1, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or I could go forward. 4, 5, 6, it's okay. Then I just start from fresh. Right foot on count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I do the change step going forward, I'm traveling my whole body forward more. So for our sake, if you have limited space, do it in place or do it back. You can adjust to the space you have. Use what you have. So let's try this. We're going to start from the change step is on 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to be in the parallel universe. So start at our home base here, bottom right side of the box. Change step is 1, 2, 3. Now I'm in the parallel side, parallel universe. 4, my left foot going forward. 4, 5, 6. Now I'm doing the box, same box, just opposite side, starting on count 4. That was 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Now I want to do another change step to get back home. 4, 5, 6. Now I'm back home again, but I'm up further. I want to go back there. So let me redo this change step. We just did the parallel box. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to just go back. 4, 5, 6. Oh, here I am home again. If that works for you. Main thing is you keep the steady rhythm and you keep 1 step on each count and you'll be good. Your brain will learn to adjust directions as you go. Let's try that. Let's do, starting with the change step, then a lot of boxes in the parallel universe with this nice slow music. Almost makes you fall asleep. one, human or animal or otherwise. Partner, we all want a partner. So same thing. Now, as I mentioned, as I'm going forward, Herbert's going backwards. So if I go forward to my right, he goes back. We're staying the same distance from each other. For the change step, same concept. I'm going 1, 2, 3. Now he's going back on his right. I'm going forward on my left. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We're just staying the same length apart, which is very easy when he's only a broom because, you know, I'm in charge. So let's try 2 boxes normal, change step, 2 boxes parallel, change step. If your change step goes forward or back, it's okay. I'm going to try to go back so I end up in my original spot. That way I don't travel out of the room. 1, 2, 3, 2 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4. Change step coming and change step and box 1, box 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change step coming. 4, 2, 3. Change step and boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Change step coming and change step and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change step coming and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change step and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Change step and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change step and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 3. Change step coming and change step and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, woohoo! Alright. Nice. We are doing great. You are doing great. So that is a tricky combo, but very good, very important. If you can do that, you can do all kinds of waltzes where you're turning one side, turning the other side. I'm going to demo for you future reasons why you need to learn this pattern because it's going to develop into this lovely turning and passing feet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Don't you want to learn how to do that? Yes. So that was good. This song makes me kind of fall asleep, so I think we are ready to pump it up a little faster. We can do it. And if you mess up, don't worry. Just keep trying, keep learning. This is a challenge, but it's really good. Remember, you are rewiring your brain. See how far you can get with it. You might surprise yourself. With your partner, if you have one. of each kind of box. 2 sets, 1 change. 2 sets, 1 change. 1, 2, 3. Basic box. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4. And change step. And 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Change step. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 6. 1. Change step and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change step and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3. Change step and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Change step and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Change step and 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Change step and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change step and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3. Change step and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change step and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, woo, the ending. Woo, big dip for Herbert. Big dip for me. Woo, and that is the top of our hour. That song is called Nail Biter, and woo, I gave you some excitement, didn't it? Okay. Time Magazine movie critic Stephanie Zacharek last month wrote that we are not the first humans to face hardship and uncertainty. Those who came before us left all sorts of survival manuals. Among those are movies of Depression-era Hollywood that helped our forebears to get through one of the most emotionally debilitating eras that they have known. In a time of breadlines and shanty towns, like today, right? When many people were out of work for years at a stretch, that could be depressing. The people whose wit and style serve as examples of all the things money cannot buy. And they remind us getting through life always boils down to some version of this mantra. Let's face the music and dance. We know who said that. These happy characters. You cannot be depressed and look like that. Fred Astaire, Ginger Rogers. The movie, Top Hat. Recommend you go out and watch it. It will cheer you up. Thank you so much for joining our Waltz Tribe Waltz lesson, basic patterns, the box step, and change step, parallel universes. Hope you enjoyed it. Dance with us next time.